My hobby. Hello, my name is Tom. I am 10 years old, and I have a favorite hobby. My hobby is playing soccer. I love to play soccer because it is fun, and it keeps me healthy. I play soccer with my friends every afternoon after school. We go to the park near my house. We divide into 2 teams and play for about an hour. Sometimes, my dad comes to watch us play. He gives us tips on how to play better. I have a soccer ball that my uncle gave me for my birthday. It is red and white. I'd always bring it to the park. My friends and I take turns being the goalkeeper. I like to play as a forward because I enjoy scoring goals. On weekends, I watch soccer games on TV with my family. My favorite team is Manchester United. I wear my team's jersey when I watch their games. I dream of becoming a professional soccer player one day. Playing soccer makes me happy. It is a great way to make friends and stay active. I will continue to play soccer as much as I can.